Hello everyone, this video introduces the to_real function in the field calculator. The to_real function is used to convert a string into a real number. If the precision of the number is lower than the result of the conversion, it will be rounded after saving changes. To create a new field named result, open the field calculator. Select Result as the field name. In the Result Equals box, enter the expression to_real string, or double-click this function and then double-click to add the string field. Finally, click Apply. The result field will then display the converted real number. That concludes the introduction to the to_real function. Thank you for watching.